welcome to Faster Way Bites. I'm LeAnne, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Faster Way protein bakery-style chocolate chip cookies.
Who doesn't love a freshly baked chocolate chip cookie that melts in your mouth? These Faster Way protein cookies hit the spot for that sweet tooth and also help you reach your macro goals. This recipe is so simple to make with only 6 ingredients and all in one bowl. You'll be enjoying these cookies in less than 30 minutes from start to finish. Here we go. Combine 3/4 cup unsweetened applesauce and 1 teaspoon baking soda in a bowl. The baking soda combined with the applesauce produces carbon dioxide, which is what allows baked goods to rise and gives these cookies their beautiful shape. Next, add in 1/2 cup natural peanut butter and stir to combine. Now for that delicious Faster Way protein. Add 2 scoops Faster Way vanilla protein and 1/2 cup coconut flour and stir until all of the ingredients are well combined. Lastly, fold in 1/3 cup chocolate chips. Be sure to taste test the cookie dough. Oh my goodness, amazing. Using a spoon, drop the cookie dough into a pan lined with parchment paper. Gently pat the cookies down a little so they bake evenly. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Let them cool, but not too much. Faster Way protein cookies are even more amazing, fresh out of the oven. This recipe makes 12 large bakery-style cookies. It can be divided in half or into single servings if needed. But I like to make the whole batch so that I have some to freeze for later as well as some to share with friends. A plate of these freshly baked cookies sure doesn't last long.